In-depth analysis and review is a core component from the skill training portion and takes place immediately after listening skill. This component is broken down into two parts, passage coverage and answer justification. And this video will focus on answer justification. During this component, students review the in-class quiz questions, which helps in developing a problem-solving strategy. To prepare for this component, you will need the workbook, script, MP3 file, and the answer key or class guide. To teach or simulate this component, you will need the workbook and the MP3 file. This component will be simulated during training.
Okay, so good job on the quiz, and now let's go over some of the more difficult questions. Okay, so let's look at question 1.
What is the main purpose of the lecture?
Alright, so Megan, what are we looking for?
The main purpose.
Okay, and of the skills that we learned, what else can we call that? Min?
The thesis.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our notes. Okay, and where can we find the thesis? Megan?
In the beginning.
Alright, okay, so what is the answer that we got for number 1? Min?
C. To discuss the pros and cons of chimeric research.
Alright, and why is that our answer?
Because the lecturer said today we're going to look at both sides of the issue.
Okay, alright, and how did you know that that was our thesis?
Because of the verbal cue today we're going to look at.
Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and move on to the other question.